Let's talk about another exception called the class cast exception. One of the biggest strengths about Java is that it is a strongly typed language. What this means is that it enforces a lot of relationships between objects. That means that it compares apples to apples and oranges to oranges. When you try to compare apples to oranges, it's going to complain, saying apples is not an orange. Let's look at that in code. Here's a common gotcha where we can see a class cast exception in action. I'm getting today's date and I'm printing it out as a timestamp. On the bottom here, I'm taking today's timestamp and I'm turning it into a date and I'm printing out the date. The timestamp object inherits from the date object, which means that the timestamp object is just a special type of date. So this is a child class of a parent class. We can turn a child class into a parent class, which should print out as timestamp. However, if we try to cast date into a timestamp, it's going to throw a class cast exception because a date is not necessarily a timestamp, which then looks like this.